HDPE is a high-density thermoplastic which contains carbon and hydrogen as backbone elements. It has stronger intermolecular forces and tensile strength than LDPE. The appearances of HDPE are translucent, hard, and stiff. High-density polyethylene form when the ethylene polymerizes under low pressure and low temperature with the presence of Ziegler-Natta catalyst or Phillips catalyst, forming polyethylene molecular chain. Let's compare the chemical structure of high-density polyethylene and low-density polyethylene. HDPE has fewer branches than LDPE. HDPE also has greater proportion of crystallinity, which we call low amorphous. Both factors makes HDPE has greater density and has greater strength than LDPE. HDPE has density between 0.94 to 0.96 gram per centimeter cubic. It has higher usable temperature than LDPE, making it suitable for hot field and pasteurization applications. HDPE also has excellent flexibility and resistance to impact damage at different temperature. HDPE bottle can be made with relatively thin wall because it has enough rigidity. This property can reduce bottle weight and cost. HDPE also has chemical resistance, especially to polar compound. HDPE is very good barrier to water vapor. This is because water has very low solubility in HDPE. HDPE is widely used for blow molded bottles for milk, water bottles, and in food storage containers. It is not suitable package for many oxygen-sensitive food products because HDPE does not provide a sufficient barrier to transfer of oxygen. It cannot use for soft drink bottles because HDPE has low carbon dioxide barrier. HDPE also not suitable for actively respiring products. However, HDPE are suitable for meat and poultry packaging because it has greater strength and puncture resistance.
Next, let's briefly talk about the common uses of HDPE. There are some common HDPE applications which are production of crates, trays, plastic water bottles, household goods, and even toys, which can be classified as consumer goods and packaging. HDPE is used in this sector because of its durability and a great blow molding applications. As for the toys, it is UV resistant, which helps keep the toys resistant to the rays damaging and discoloring effects. Next, HDPE is also a common material that food and beverages industry use as their food container. For example, is the milk and juice container from the F&B industry. The particular reason that F&B industrial use HDPE containers is because it won't leach into the bottle's contents. Besides that, HDPE is recyclable, which makes it a great choice for these highly disposable products. Then, the industry also use HDPE as the electrical wire insulator, piping system, and even the chemical container. Again, HDPE is ideal to use because of its UV resistance and durability in most chemical interaction, which make it useful in a lot of industrial application. In addition, automotive products also use HDPE material, such as the car's body and parts, fuel tanks, and even their wiring and cables.
Equally important, let's also pay some attention to the drawbacks of HDPE material with respect to food application. First drawbacks, HDPE has low permeable of gas. The HDPE is not a suitable package for actively respiring food products such as the vegetables and the fruits. According to a study done by Sukareva et al. 2008, the HDPE material has a low barrier to transfer out the respiring oxygen and water vapor to the environment. Hence, this will cause microbial activity to the food spoilage. The water vapor, which is the moisture, will generate energy liberated during aerobic respiration that will be released as a heat. This can lead to microbial activity inside the food packaging, thus cause the food spoilage. Next, The HDPE material has limited heat stability. According to a study from Benjamin et al. 2008, HDPE is not suitable for hot-filled food applications because of the product melting point. If the food product melting point is high, the HDPE container cannot remain rigid. The industry tends to use this technology to inhibit bacteria in food and beverages with high acidity. Lastly is the limited transparency. According to a study by Marsh et al. 2007, he claimed that due to high degree of crystallinity of HDPE, the physical quality of the food product cannot be observed carefully.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching.